Finally, the cool down. Calf stretch and dorsal. Step.
Kiss me, amor.
Very good. One more
Pull me
time.
in tighter, never let me go.
The other side.
I'll never leave
Very
your
good.
side.
Last time, relax.
Fire, I'll never leave.
And now,
no.
so stretch and move your hip. Perfect. Knee up. Put your heel to the front on the floor and down. Go up and squat. Very good. 4, 3, go down. Choreography step cross. Open, chest, torso. 4 taps, down and up. Switch. Come back. Step down. Single and slide. From the top, step cross. Chest, torso. 4 taps. Very good. Step back. Elbow down. Single and slide. Yes. Very good. Now, same like beginning, psoas and hip. Knee up. Yes, pull up your knee and stretch your glute. Heel on the floor and down. Go up. Grab your foot and stretch. Both knees in the same line. Go down, step. Yes, chest. 4 taps, down and up. Very good. Step back. Single and slide. One more time. From the top, step, cross. Very good. You got it. Very good. Single, single, slide. And now, stretch again, diagonal. Put your foot on the floor, down. One more time. Come back. The other side. Down. One more time. Come back. Go to the side. Go down and up. One more time. Down. And come back. The other side. Very good. Dynamic stretch. Go up. From the top, step cross. Chest. 4 taps. Step back. Single. Very good. Are you ready? One more time. 4 taps. Quédate a mi lado ahora. 4 taps. Single, single. Slide. Everybody, last one. Enjoy Mix 55. This is Ritmix. Step back. Single. And one snap to the side and walk.